Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I will show you how to make a banner design with rain effect. uh, Here, as you see that here has some rain effect. So today I will show you how to create this creative design by using Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. So let's get started. So before starting this design, I need to some image like that, image and some text. So I already downloaded this image here, as you say. So you can search in Google to download this kind of image, and I also write some font text here so that I can easily design the design. Okay, so first go to file and new. From here create a artboard with 1920 pixel and the height is 1080, resolution 72 is enough. Okay, now create. Okay, first of all I have to create a background for this image, and as you see this image has gradient effect in background, and it's a slightly right side of circle for image. So this is how we can create. First, from the background layer, unlock it, and the right button click and blending option. From here I apply color overlay. Oh, sorry, not color overlay, it's a gradient overlay. And from gradient overlay I choose a color from here. Okay, and also change this color, slightly lighter color. Okay, we can adjust it next, no problem. So I think this is good enough now, but we need to adjust it more. So yeah, scale is 150 is not good. 139, now it's better than before. Okay, I it. We adjust color next, no problem. Okay, so this is our background layer, and we need a rain effect. As you see that here has some rain effect, so I use here a brush tool, so you can download it from online easily. Just search brush tool or Photoshop brush tool, Photoshop. So here choose brush, and from here I choose the brush. As you see, rain Photoshop brush 1, and from here I just choose number 3 option. So if I create a new layer, and as you see it has some, so before that we can change the color before. This is good, I think. So I apply a white color and choose this brush again and click once. Now this is good. Now here I need to introduce the layer opacity so that it just shows slightly, not darker effect. Yeah, this is good. Okay, now I take this image, just drag and drop here and reduce the size. Okay, slightly increase. Okay, now this is better, and we copy our font from here, drag and drop from here. You can write it easily, it's an easy process. So change this font so that we can easily see it. Okay, so I lock these two layers and now change the font. So here we choose Roboto. This is free font, you can download it from online. Bold and size is 140. Okay, and here I choose a font from here, Mistral. Okay, align it and change the color. So here I choose a color, so click it, and from here I copy this color and paste here. Okay, now this is better. Also I log this image. We'll edit this those background again if any adjustment will require, so no problem. And here order now button, so order now font, we also choose only two font, one is Roboto, another one is here as you see this font name is Mistral. Okay, so order now, click order now and then slightly increase the font and take a shape. From here I choose round rectangle tool and draw it. Okay, and change the color from here, and I need to down it, and this color also need to change, so I choose a color from here. I think no, it's a black is better for that image, I think. Okay, now it is good, but we reduce the corner size as well because 15. Now it is better, I think. We can reduce more, it's 20. Yeah, and here I will change the font to Roboto, bold, and okay, aligned it. Now here we apply blending option, drop shadow from blending option, so click the drop shadow, and as you see spread, we adjust it, opacity increase, size, opacity. Okay, now this is good, I think. Okay, so we have to make a uppercut here as you see, and we need a shape, so I must take this shape, and here also some text here, and I delete it and write take a text here and G4 line, and I think this is good enough, so, and reduce the size to 3029. Okay, no problem. Now change the font color from black to white. Okay, and regular font. We choose a regular font. This is good, but here we change the alignment, text alignment. It's a late, and reduce some font text here. So here I use a arrow key, as you see this arrow key. So I download it from online, and you also can download it from online. Just here, as you see here, hand drawn arrow. Search it in Google and you will find it. So I choose one and just drag it from here to Photoshop and drop it here. Okay, then choose OK and vector smart object to rasterize layer and blending option. Change the color from color overlay. So I choose white and normal. Opacity is 100. Now it's okay. And rotate it slightly. Okay. And here. Now this is good, I think. Okay, I have to create a upper card here, so I choose again this. I copy this shape so that reduce the time. Okay, so good, and choose this font and change the font here. Choose Roboto bold. %% of hurry up. Okay, and choose the hurry up font and reduce the size also. Then change the font. We choose Maestral. Okay, this is good, I think. And reduce the shape length, width, and increase the height. I think our offer card is now ready, and change the drop shadow. Okay, no problem. This is enough. choose all and group it so that I can easily adjust it with here. Rotate it and from here I choose this shape. So this is also you can download from online. Yeah, this is good enough. 50% off. Now everything, but color is a big problem, I think. So we adjust the color here. All color I use black, not full black, slightly low black. Okay, now it is better. Okay, now use gradient here. So apply effects. From here use gradient overlay and choose a gradient overlay here. So sorry, it's not gradient overlay, it's a drop shadow. So from drop shadow I already choose increase the size and distance as well. This is good. Now okay, so our design almost ready, but here only one shape need. So I have a small shape here, so I use this from make it here illustrator. Okay, now choose it and drag and drop to Photoshop and reduce the opacity to 50 and also reduce the size. Now which is just copy and some design here. Okay, so that's all about from me today, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you're new in this channel, please like this video and comment your and see you another day with another video. Till then, take care.